So first thing we are going to see is variables. So how we can create variables? So variable, okay, you can say it as a container also, right? The variable as a container. Inside that you are storing some value for later usage. Programming language, we have to define what type of variable it is, and then we will be assigning some value to it, right? Here in our programming language, it is dynamically typed and interpreted language. So similar like our Python language, it is also dynamic language. So here you don't need to specify the data type of a variable. Okay, it will accept any data type. Okay, so here the format of assigning a variable is usually, for example, if I'm giving variable, so this is a variable name. Okay, otherwise I will give differently so that you will get. Assume that I'm giving as a. Okay, usually what we will do, a equal to some value like 20 we will give, right? In our programming language you can use equal to also, but here how they will use is they will use lesser than symbol and then hyphen. Okay, so to assign a variable value to a variable. Okay, all three things will be supporting. I can give a like this, b equal to I'm giving some value. Okay, okay, both will be supported. So if I'm running and showing it to you means you will be able to understand. See, both it has accepted, equal to also it has accepted, and that less than hyphen symbol also it is accepted. Either you can call it as arrow symbol also. Okay, and another one special thing is in programming language usually we will assign, you will give the variable name in the left and the expression in the right, right? If you are trying to interchange it means it will throw error. We have never assigned, for example, a b I have created, right? We will give c equal to a plus b, correct? We never given a plus b equal to c. Expression will not come in the left hand side, right? But in our programming language this will support, okay, this type of assignment also, but it is recommended not to use this format. We should have some standard format in all the programming language. In case if you are using equal to means you should use everywhere equal to. In if you are using the arrow symbol means you have to use that only in the entire program. Why? Because the program or the code whichever you are writing is not for the program to read, is for the user. We are the reading the program, right? In case you are interchangeably giving here and there means another person, okay, reading your code means he may get confused. Okay, why this symbol is coming like that, confusion will come. And this is specialty of ours. So most of the places I will be using this arrow symbol only. Okay, not the equal to part. Okay, and as I told, if I want to give a plus b and I have to assign the value to c means I have to change the symbol to this direction. The direction of the arrow is changing, first hyphen and then arrow mark greater than symbol. Okay, so to show that, simply if I give a plus b like that and I'm running means, see, it has taken the value, and in the right side you can see what are the values assigned to my variables. Okay, so A20, B 10.4 and C, if I add both means automatically it is typecasting. Okay, 30.4 is float value, right?